What's going on, guys? Nick here at Ranch Armor. I'm coming to you with our install guide on the 2026 HD11 crew cab, open cab, and closed cab models for our side steps, guys. This is one of our easiest installs. Very excited to show you. We're not even gonna skip to another video for the hardware because there is none. All factory hardware. Just use your favorite impact. We're using Milwaukee. Use what you want. 3/8 head and a 10 mil deep socket, baby. Let's go.
Okay, so if you have a lift, it'd be a lot easier, but as you can see here, your side step is going to line up to these body panels at the bottom, and there are individual screws that you're going to take out, and you are going to put the screw and the cup through our mounting bracket, and it will mount them to the unit. Oh. Okay, so whenever you're taking off your lower body panel, it's going to be this cup and this 10 mil bolt, and you're going to take off 2, 4, 5, 7, and 9, and then that will allow you to lift up your side step and bolt it on right in place. Okay.
All right, guys. If you just get the first one in, use a buddy to hold the side and kind of help, and then start lining them up and tighten them. Coy, do you start in a certain order?
No, not really. I just kind of go whatever's easiest.
All right.
Okay. So you want to leave all your bolts loose in the beginning, and then once you are all set in place, you can then go on the top side and align it to your body line. So once they're on, and they're not tight, obviously, you have a little bit of adjustment and play in the front and the rear. You just kind of want to get it to your liking and then cinch it up, and everything should be fine.
All right, guys. Everything's installed. Simple. Should take you maybe 15 minutes for both sides. All right, guys. We're installed, ready to go. Nice and tight. You've got your skis on both sides to protect these plastics. Lone Star, open cab, closed cab, base model, doesn't matter. Works with them all, guys. You got this nice foot platform here in the back to help you get into the bed. Toughest side steps and nerfs on the market, guys. That's the Ranch Armor way. Thanks for watching.